Want to unlock the power of Mailchimp's Click Map feature to optimize your email marketing campaigns? In this video, I'll show you how to use Mailchimp's Click Map features to track exactly where your subscribers are clicking, and how you can use that data to improve your email performance. First thing you'll want to know is that Click Maps help you visualize which parts of your email are getting the most attention. Once you send your campaign and gather data, Mailchimp's Click Map will overlay heat maps on your email, showing where subscribers clicked. The darker the color, the more clicks that section received. This gives you immediate insight into how engaging your email design and content are. Next thing, you can use this data to tweak your email design. For instance, if a particular link or image is receiving fewer clicks than expected, it might be because it's not placed in an ideal location or isn't visually prominent enough. Knowing this allows you to adjust and optimize future emails for better engagement. Another thing you can do with the Click Map is analyze your call to action, CTA, buttons. Are they getting the attention you need? If you notice that your CTA isn't getting enough clicks, you can experiment with changing its position, size, or even the wording. A slight change here could lead to more conversions for your business. The fourth thing is segmenting your audience based on their interactions. With Mailchimp's Click Map, you can see which links were clicked by different segments of your audience. This allows you to understand how certain groups of people engage with your content, making it easier to personalize future campaigns and target specific customer needs. One of the most powerful aspects of using Click Maps is tracking the effectiveness of your email's layout. If you notice that certain areas of your email aren't getting any clicks, it might be a sign that your email isn't structured in a way that encourages action. By continually monitoring your Click Maps, you can iterate and find a layout that works best for your audience. Lastly, I want to emphasize that you can use Mailchimp's Click Map feature for completely free, and you can get started right now using the first link in the description. We've partnered up to give you exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, so you can fully explore Mailchimp's features before making any commitment. Make sure to keep an eye on your Click Maps after every campaign. It's a simple way to gain critical insights into your email performance and continuously improve your marketing strategy. So that's a quick rundown of how to use Mailchimp's Click Map features. Remember, you can get started with the software for free and enjoy an extended trial when you click the first link below. Take advantage of this tool to optimize your emails and take your marketing to the next level.